Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Global, where we share some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. Chicken 65, one of India's most popular fried chicken dishes, loved for its bold spices, crispy coating, and juicy, flavor-packed bites. This restaurant-style favorite is known for its deep red color, garlic chili aroma, and that perfect balance of heat, tang, and crunch that makes it instantly addictive. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for chicken 65, made just the way it's enjoyed all across India. You'll learn how to marinate the chicken for maximum flavor, fry it to crispy perfection, and finish it in a spicy, tangy sauce. The result is tender, juicy chicken with a crisp outside and a bold, comforting taste that works beautifully as a starter on a main dish. Whether you're new to cooking or love trying popular Indian and global recipes, this recipe ensures reliable, delicious results every time. So let's get cooking and prepare this global favorite, delicious chicken 65. Step 1. Marinating the chicken. We have taken 500 grams of boneless chicken whole leg pieces, which includes thighs and drumsticks. Wash and clean the chicken properly. Cut the chicken into medium-sized cubes. If you prefer, you can also use breast pieces, but the meat from the drumsticks and thigh portion is more succulent and juicy. Place the chicken in a mixing bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 1.5 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Give it a nice mix. Add ½ teaspoon of black pepper powder. Add ½ teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder. Add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Add 1 tablespoon of coriander or dhania powder. Add ½ teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. Add 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder. Kashmiri red chili powder is used to give a nice red color and mild spiciness. For a more vibrant and brighter color, you can also use a little orange-red food color. But we haven't used the orange-red food color in this recipe. Add 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Add 2 tablespoons of curd. Mix everything nicely. Add 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida. Combine it nicely along with the other ingredients. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Take 1 egg and beat it nicely. Then add it in the marination. Mix everything nicely and let the marination coat all the pieces of chicken properly. Marinated chicken pieces are ready. Cover and keep aside for at least 1 hour. Step 2. Preparing the ingredients for chicken 65. We have taken 3 tablespoons of finely cut garlic cloves, 2 medium-sized green chilies. Cut them into 2 and then slit them. 20 to 25 curry leaves or curry patta. 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce. 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. 1 teaspoon of vinegar. 1 tablespoon of lime juice. 1/4 cup or 4 tablespoons of curd. 1 teaspoon of salt. Step 3. Frying the chicken. On medium heat in an open thick bottom pan, add enough cooking oil for deep frying. Once the oil is hot, add the marinated chicken pieces one at a time. Do not overcrowd the pan by adding too many chicken pieces at one time. If required, fry the chicken in 2 or more batches depending on the size of your pan. Cook the chicken for around 10 to 12 minutes. Once the chicken has cooked on one side, turn the chicken pieces to cook the other side.
Subscribe to Get Cooking Global for some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. Press the bell icon so that you're instantly notified when we upload a new recipe.
After around 10 to 12 minutes, once the chicken is cooked, remove all the pieces and keep them aside. Similarly, fry the second batch of chicken pieces in the pan. Fried chicken pieces are ready for preparing chicken 65. Step 4. Preparing the chicken 65. On medium heat in an open thick bottom pan, add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the finely cut garlic. Stir the garlic for a minute. After a minute, add the slit green chilies and stir. Now add the curry leaves or curry patta. Stir it for a minute or 2. Then lower the flame and add the tomato ketchup. Add the lime juice. Add the Kashmiri red chili powder. Add the red chili sauce. Add the vinegar. Also add the soya sauce. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add the 4 tablespoons of curd. Stir everything properly. Cook the sauce for around a minute. Check for taste and add whatever is required. After a minute, add the fried chicken pieces. Stir everything nicely and ensure that all the chicken pieces are coated with the sauce. Cook for a minute so that it absorbs the sauce. Once done, put the heat off. Delicious chicken 65 is ready. Serve the chicken 65 hot with rice and dal or enjoy it with roti, naan or paratha. Do share this recipe with your friends and family members. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Share this video with your friends and family. And do subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.